Any mention?
May it please your lordships, I beg to mention item number 8. Lordship, we're supposed to bring some instructions and some authorities, Lordship. We're not ready yet. So, Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Well, that actually they have taken so many times. I'm coming from Guwahati. Last time they have told.
So
that we are collecting instructions. Today also they are telling they have not done anything.
What to do? So
actually, I think that should be disposed at the earliest because it's a small issue and related. Hello.
What's the subject matter issue here?
Is it relating to payment of interest?
Interest?
Only interest. Amount deposited I would have got. But as per the department's instruction guidelines, a refund amount including interest should be refunded. But despite of the fact, they have only paid the amount deposited, principal amount. They have not paid the interest. That's why we have before Lordship.
Where Dr. Mojika?
Lordship is on the way.
When do you want it? Next date you won't take a journal anymore.
Yes, well, as a short date may be given on 2nd.
2nd is?
2nd December.
That's next week. 2nd December, all right? Yes. On the prayer of Sunsa, that is a matter on 2nd December. It's expected next date no further journal will be taken.
Highly obliged.
Item number 1.
May it please your lordships. Lordships, we have already served copies on advance on the response. Lordship.
Rejoinder? Where's the other side? You are appearing? Who's appearing? You received the rejoinder?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then what will post it for hearing? Yes, parties submit that the appearance are complete.
Yes, Lordship.
Just a matter for hearing. After
2 weeks, Lordship.
So item number 7 is also connected with this.
number
7.
7.
A similar issue, Lordship. So it can be taken up together.
yes. Where's the other side? MS Pradhan is correct. 7 is there also.
Lordship, corresponding to entry.
In number 7. What about number 7?
Item number 1.
What about 7? Who's in 7? Dr. Mojika. Where are they? It's a Pandey.
Well, this matter pertains to income tax, Millards.
No, number 7. We listen together, but the other side, who's there?
Well,
who's appearing here?
Item 7.
Mr. S. Pandey. You inform him then. Where's the file? Do you inform him?
Well, it's will do.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. That obviously 487 after 2 weeks.
Well, it's item number 7. This WPC 487 may be treated as the lead matter in this matter. Both are connected matters.
Heard you can make a mention. Yes.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship. So sometimes required, Lordship, for filing a rejoinder. This 2 weeks' time may be given, Lordship.
Yes.
Ms.
Akha please phone the route. 2 weeks time for the rejoinder. You have to file with the state respondents.
States.
Alright.
Yes. This one soon.
Item number 3.
Which one is listed?
May it please your lordships. I'm praying for some more time, Lordship, to file our affidavit.
What is the matter file?
This was filed, Millards.
How many times you've taken for affidavit?
24/6 Millards. Right.
Why taking so long?
Lordship, we're still awaiting instructions.
Then we'll give you last opportunity.
Lordship.
This is a show against no show cause notice.
Well, this pertains to the GST matter where there is this proposal under the Act for a settlement scheme. Now there were certain anomalies for which we had written to them, but that they had not accepted it.
Okay, we just give them one word with affidavit necessary then. as paid by so and so for 2 weeks' time is allowed for affidavit. Expected next day after should be on board.
Well, there is a connected matter in this. Well, it's WPC number 251.
Listed today.
Well, it's unfortunately what has happened is 249 has been listed before my lords today. 251 251 is listed, well, it's 249 and 251 are again shown listed day after tomorrow.
Why? Same matter 249.
Lordship.
The same writ petition, well,
You file affidavit there, no?
No, Lordship.
And 249 also you just record. When the 251 you strike out 249 when just keep a note when it's listed day after tomorrow.
249 is it? Both these matters are together.
We have to pass,
Well,
just make a note that
we'll make a mention, well, it's day after tomorrow.
when the matter is listed day after.
Item number 4.
The respondents have filed their affidavit in opposition manner, and now we need to file a rejoinder. I pray for 4 weeks' time for filing a rejoinder.
Now you are appearing. Who's appearing? For the respondents.
Respondent number 7, Lordship. We're just a formal party.
Who has filed affidavit?
Respondent 127, my lord.
They have filed.
Yes.
Who is this? This filed by whom the affidavit? Who's the counsel?
Not there. S. Pandey.
Where's S. Pandey? He submitted the learned counsel for the petitioner. Please that be allowed to file. How much time rejoinder?
4 weeks' time, my lord.
4 weeks time.
Yes, my lord. I will not be available. Marriage in the country.
Please phones allowed 4 weeks time for file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Yes. Yes, sir.
Obliged, Lord.
Yes.
In the meantime, interim order will be given.
In interim orders is there. If any to continue. Yes.
Item number 5.
Obliged, Lord.
Yes.
My lord, we are awaiting instructions, Lordship. I'm praying for some further time.
2 weeks time. The 2 weeks further time is allowed for filing affidavit. Expected next year after should be on board. Yes, just after 2 weeks. Also.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes, also yes.
Hearing item number 6.
Well, it's this that matter from the district council where I appear for the district council
What do you know about this?
regarding
What's the matter about?
there's a challenge to an act, my lords, before my lords.
Yes.
There was, your lordships had heard this matter at some length. Thereafter, my lords, we were permitted to file an affidavit, which took substantial period of time. Lords, matters now come, pleadings are complete. May I pray, my lords, may kindly have it next week, my lords.
Where's affidavit?
It's on record, my lords.
When did you file it? Why affidavit?
My lords, one document from the records, my lords, was relevant. That was not part of the
1923.
my lords.
This is
This is only for the purposes of bringing this letter on record, my lords.
yes, Mr. Charles.
Next.
Yes, the submission of the council of the party is this up to 1 week. That is matter stand up for me. Yes.
I'll you oblige.
That's pretty quick.
Any mention?
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 28.
Number
28, your lordship.
28. Oh.
No objection, lordship.
Is that Vijini matter?
Yes, your lordship.
After
After 2 weeks,
1
your
week.
lordship.
2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, interim order may continue.
Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
Please, lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 12. This is the election petition. Lordship, I am supposed to file the objection. The difficulty is that the petitioner's wife is undergoing surgery, lordship, because of. That is
You
why
filed an application.
I filed it, lordship. I am just praying for a week's time. He'll come and sign it, lordship.
Objection, lordship.
Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. Lordship, I pray that this matter may be passed over for next week.
Please, Your Lordship, and for the petitioners.
Emergency in this matter.
Your Lordship, here we're just challenging the promotion of respondent number 6 to the
Who's
water
been number
resource.
6? What happened? You're ready to the matter?
No, Your Lordship.
You have no objection?
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, there's an interim order. I'm praying for extension of the same.
Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
After 1 week. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 15 to 25, my lord. It is a connected matter, my lord.
You have joined. Where's Mr. Nan?
The conducting council is on sanction leave, my lord, so I'm seeking some more time.
You have joined this too many times. Who's the other counsels with him? You are there?
From Sir Keshup's chambers, my lord.
Hmm?
Sir Keshup's chamber.
Yes, where's Mr. Keshav? Okay, I be a similar matter. He's not here.
No, my lord.
15
Till 25.
But other matters, he's there in 18.
15, 16. No, 16.
What to do? When is Mr. Nath coming back?
On 3rd, my lord.
On
3rd, till 3rd.
Okay, I don't, for 1 week only. Next week, I don't think this court will be inclined to allow any further adjournment. Just get that across, yes.
Yes, my lord.
1525 is as the eyeing council. These matters is on sanction leave. This is the matter after 1 week. Yes.
I don't like my lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 9. Both the parties are trying to settle the matter, your lordship.
Number 9 is an order problem.
Yes.
You can call it out.
Okay.
What do you mean? Okay.
I'll wait.
You should, that's not the way to submit. It's about you for a court. Not talking to your friend. Okay.
I apologize.
And then so if you ask for time, firstly, it's known that you don't mention order matters. Who's your senior?
S. Yadav.
Mr.
S. Yadav.
Who's S.
But in this matter, M.
Goswami is leading this matter.
M. Goswami. He's from Delhi.
What's your name?
Ilaw. Miss
How
Ilaw.
long you practice?
3 years.
3 years. Yes. Follow the list.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 27 for adjournment, lordship. The conducting counsel, Mr. B. Patak, is having some personal difficulty, lordship.
Lordship. No objection.
2 weeks, yes.
Highly observed.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. The conducting counsel cannot appear due to some personal difficulty, your lordship.
Mr. Pandey?
Yes, Mr.
Where Mr. Pandey? Today he didn't appear on 2 matters division bench.
Actually, your lordship, we have not received instruction to receive on the income tax matter from Mr. S. C. Kyle.
But the thing is that he was already appearing earlier on.
Yes, Your Lordship, but based on instruction, we normally appear, Your Lordship.
13 and 14?
13 and 14, Lordship.
Yeah, after 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
What is this?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this is the contempt matter, Your Lordship, for non-compliance of the order dated 19/5/2025. The order actually supposed to be expired on June 2025, within 2 months. Now it's already been 6 months, Lordship. They have not complied, Lordship. They have the operative order is this page page 14 para 8 is their direction, Lordship. It's supposed to comply within 2 months. Now it has been 6 months, 4 months already late.
Is a teacher or a non?
This is non-teaching staff and for regularization and for payment of pension, Lordship.
I heard there be some issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Steps to be taken by
Lordship. Much blessed, Lordship.
Item number 2.
I beg to appear online.
Yes.
Lordship.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, if I may. Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, can you take up this matter at the end of the board?
What's the matter about?
This is a fresh writ petition where we are requesting if the state can decide on the representation. The petitioners, my lords, have served the state as lower primary teachers, contractual government teachers, were out of employment since 2020 because the MTET exam, Teachers Eligibility Test, was conducted only once during the entire duration of 10 years. So, my lords, basis my result in 2019, I was asked to leave. State gave all such teachers only one chance. Last time this matter in fact travelled to Supreme Court, and the Honorable Court allowed, looking at the situation that where the TET exam is to be conducted every year, Meghalaya had only conducted it once during the entire duration. So looking at the hardship, the Honorable Supreme Court said, we who are out of employment despite having served for 10 years should be considered as in-service candidates who have no upper limit in terms of the number of attempts.
But you are out of a job now, right? You're not serving now. Yes. What do you want here?
My lord, there is a representation that we've given. We've cleared the exams. So, this is the Honorable Supreme Court's orders. That's also on record, my lord.
Yes.
The validity of this exam, the test that I have cleared, certificate is only 7 years as per the NCTE guidelines. We have cleared it in 2023, some of us, and some of them have cleared it in 25.
No, you take notice at this time, yes. You take notice, yes. Yes, who's appearing for the state?
I'm appearing for the state, Lordship.
Minister, we have recommended Singh.
Lordship.
Please,
yes. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Land Council President, together with Mr. K.V. Khalinga, issue notice. Mr. N.D. Shrai, learned additional EAG is present with E.R. Khan, who's present with Khan. So no further notice required on these 4 respondents. Just after 2 weeks for instructions or affidavit. Yes.
Lordship, the maintainability of the repetition.
That you can first you for instructions, affidavit, whatever means.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 3. Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Well, this is a case, my lord, where the my farm has been debarred for a period of 2 years, my lord. If your Lordship may kindly peruse the show cause notice at page 121. My lord, before this, my lord, I have filed 3 numbers of repetitions.
121?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The reasons your Lordship will find at clause number 3.
Articles of misdemeanors.
My lord, you breached the code of integrity in public procurement as specified in rule so and so by submitting documents pertaining to letter of understanding issued by so and so, which on scrutiny and cross verification was found to be false and fake or fake. Therefore,
okay, similar breach of code.
My lord.
Now that doesn't have 7. When the first one was in which year?
My lord, this is of my lord, recent, my lord.
Listen,
During the tender, my
breach
lord.
for 2022.
And the second one was, my lord. Second was, my lord, the second allegation is similar breach of Court of Integrity was observed during the tender process of 17 into tender during the year
17 tenders during 21-22.
17 extender.
Submitted for financial
My
stability
lord,
again.
my lord,
Yeah,
my lord,
then?
my lord, can you see the last line, my lord, thereby resulting in your firm being penalized.
Yes.
My lord, I was already penalized at that time, my lord.
What do you want now?
Now, my lord, this department letter should be state, my lord.
Why should it be state?
My lord, I'll show you the documents, my lord. Lordship will be pleased, my lord.
No, we're not going to go there right now.
My lord.
You still in motion stage, correct?
My lord.
Let them get instructions.
Yes,
so where's the department order?
My department order is at, my lord, page 138, my lord.
You depart for how many years?
For 2 years, my lord.
2 years.
My lord.
Order for debarment of from breach of
My lord, the last paragraph, my lord, of page 138.
Yes, 138.
Your firm has been breach of similar, my lord, the breach of court as referring so and so, submitting the documents pertaining to the letter of
You
understanding.
filed appeal against this?
Yes, my lord.
What happened to the appeal?
Appeal has been, my lord, disposed, my lord.
Where's the
That
order
also,
appeal?
my lord, that is on, my lord, you will find it, page 156, my lord. My appeal has been also been dismissed.
Automatically dismissed?
My lord. In both the, my
Without
lord,
any consideration?
no, my lord. My lord, Lordship will find, my lord, in both the department order and the appeal order, my lord. There are differences, my lord. They are not stick to their stand. They are changing their stands, my lord.
No, you have a right to come to this court after your appeal is rejected. So issue notice.
Lordship.
What about Dr. Mozika? Where is he? You can accept notice?
Lordship.
Yes, no interim orders.
My lord, my other, my lord, writ petitions are also pending today. Item number?
That will close them. They are now become infructuous.
My lord, no, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the point is that, my lord, if your lordship kindly come to paragraph, my lord. Just a moment, my lord.
Paragraph?
My lord, paragraph 21 of my writ petition, my lord, at page 20 and 21.
Page 20?
20 and 21, my lord. Well, I have mentioned all the writ petitions which are pending before this honorable court. But kindly see the rates which I have quoted at page 21.
We're not bothered with the rates now. If you depart, how you're already not qualified. You can't be, your tender can't be considered.
But the reason which they have quoted in the department order, my lord, that do not tally with the appeal order, my lord.
We're not sitting in appeal over the tender committee, Mr. Bora.
My
lord. Sorry. Yes. Listen, if you just think if it's irregular, later on if you can show the debarment is wrong, then the next stage will come whether you've been denied, the consideration, that's all. As of now, you've come against, you've been debarred, you find appeals been rejected, now you've come against rejection of your appeal debarment, right? So setting aside, so we have to examine the reasons as to whether the reasons arrived at debarring you are reasonable or whether justified.
Or not. Yes, my lord.
And the other
That's
cases
the
will be in structures for a time being. In structures.
I don't know.
The tenders already closed, I think.
But item number 7, that has become infructuous since they have passed the appeal.
Right.
And my lord, the other petitions, they are connected with this. Once my department letter goes, but the order goes, but I will be in, my lord, in the tender, my lord.
But it's already over, tender. It's been allotted the work.
It has been allotted, my lord. My lordship had interfered, my lord. There are many judgments before this.
Lot of interference in debarments, something else.
Yes,
but a tender process is something else.
But my rates.
If you have failed tender process and if you've been, deprived, irregularly, then you can have recourse to private law also.
My lord,
for damages.
My lord, for the first tender, my lord, it was amounting to be 66 lakhs. My rate, my lord, was 14 lakhs below, my lord. Can you see the rates, my lord?
And the reasons I remember now is because you were sourcing buses from. It was anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's not go there.
Yes,
Yes, heard Mr. Sida on the consultation. If you notice, Ms. Merchang, Vice Dr. N. Mozika, accept notice on behalf of
all the respondents.
All the respondents for the required list up to 2 weeks for instructions or affidavit. Yes.
But item number 7 has become infructuous.
Yes. Yes, number 7. Then council number 7, Mr. Sida submits that the matter is sent within infructuous.
But
the matter is closed.
And 4, 5, and 6 may be taken up with this matter, my lord. This matter, my lord. Kindly, my lord. This is my prayer, my lord. Humble prayer, my lord.
We'll follow out 4, 5, 6 first.
Not sure.
For today.
Wait.
My lord.
Just we take up number 4 now. Why
Okay, for today. For today.
Yes, last order is that such are not eligible to participate in tender process. See, the order did 11:11. This is common in all the 4 matters. 292 close. Yes. See the last order?
My lord. Yes, my lord. Department order, my lord.
Eleven, 25.
My lord. Okay. কি আছে?
Other orders are 22-8.
My lord.
Because even the word since there's no sense in keeping these matters pending.
Or if I, my lord, succeed in this case, my lord, that it will be automatically I'll be in, my lord. That will be pending, my lord. Nothing will be harm, my lord.
That's been 344, 345, and 485.
My lord.
Lordship, but I have objection to that, Lordship. I'm praying for disposal of
Yes,
these
ma'am.
other 3 matters as well, Lordship.
They are pressing hard from the first day, my lord. They are pressing hard from
Actually, you can't.
day one.
Now the thing is that has it been settled? Have you brought on record anything to show that the contract has since been settled with others?
No, Lordship.
That's the only
They have
thing.
not
If
produced
you
any
brought that on record, then we'll close it.
But they have not produced any document, my lord.
But Lordship,
to that effect, my lord.
in the Department of Appeal, has been considered, Lordship, and then it has
that is
been found
different,
that
my
the documents are
okay,
forged,
but
Lordship.
whether these his submissions are this in the 3 cases, he is the L1 bidder. Okay, and if the debarment is stayed or it is set aside, then he'll be in contention again. That's his only submission.
Yes, my lord. That is the submission, my lord. That is my case, my lord.
If the work has been settled with someone else, then he's out. He has to resort to other remedy.
My lord.
But have you placed anything on record?
No, my lord. They have not put anything, my lord. Court case, 1 2 number 4 2
Since the senior is not here also, he's handicapped.
Well, let it be pending for today, my lord. For today, my lord. Let it go, my lord.
Lordship, then let the matter come up tomorrow, Lordship. Or
Tomorrow,
my
he'll be there. Yes.
He'll be there.
3 matters. Otherwise, we're going to close them. 344, 345, 485. As the learned senior counsel on behalf of the respondent is not available, this is a matter tomorrow. Yes.
Lordship may fix a date on their, my lord.
The other matter, you take a date.
My lord. Okay.
2 weeks. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, please, matter may be adjourned for your Lordship.
For a day?
Lordship, my lord, आपकी journals
So
on.
throat. Now, what's the problem?
My lord.
Why adjournment?
Lordship, the letter आपकी journals there's some difficulty, Lordship. Lordship, may have this matter next week.
So let it be after 2 weeks next. We have some personal difficulties there, Lordship.
Yes, prayers made by Mr. H. Karvan on behalf of the Advocate General, which did be not available. Today stopped. This is matter for 2 weeks. Yes. For admission hearing.
Admission.
Insisting on that section 64 is not a valid relief for you.
Your Lordship, because what has happened is there are judgments to that effect, and furthermore, they have exercised the power of recovery in other cases.
Good, yes.
Item
you
number 2.
prepare well.
Lordship. Please, Lordship. We've already served them copy of our rejoinder, Lordship. It's just that the filing copy is...
Rejoinder?
Yes, Lordship.
Where's the other side?
Sir Mozika.
Who's there?
Sir
Dr.
Mozika.
Yes, where she is? Yes. Have you received copy of the agenda?
Apologies, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. I'm praying for some time to take instructions.
Not yet, Lordship. It's in transit. Just
today you're filing it?
1 week's time, Lordship, because it's coming from...
Ms. Karakarang submits that advance copy for agenda after it's all been served the respondents. He prays that given 1 week's time to file the same before the registry. Praise Allah. Yes, list the matter for hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
After 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, we have filed rejoinder to their affidavit, Lordship, clarifying the aspect, Lordship, with regards to the...
Surely one thing with Chanda that the alleged violation is willful.
Lordship, now Lordship, if I may take your Lordships to...
That's it, willful, and it's not made
Lordship,
in...
Lordship, why I say so is because Lordship, if Lordship kindly comes to Annexure 1 of the contempt petition, Lordship, that is at page 14, Lordship.
Annexure 1?
Annexure 1, page 13.
That is Annexure 3 or Annexure 1? Newspaper cutting?
Annexure 3, Lordship. Annexure 3, Lordship.
Newspaper cutting?
Lordship.
Yes.
If Lordship allows me to read, Lordship.
Yes.
From the correspondent, date Tura 13 Jan, a resident Upper Rongkham in Tura, accused the West Garo Hills Deputy Commissioner as well as the other officials of illegally carrying out national highway expansion works on private land even before hearing on the matter was to take place shortly. According to the resident Dr. Philitus Marak, the hearing on the matter was scheduled for February 7 and all works on the national highway expansion within the said private land should have been put on hold till then. On January 12 around 1:30 p.m. West Garo Hills Deputy Commissioner and his deputies have forcefully executed the earthwork from my private land located along the National Highway 51 at Upper Rongkham area in spite of the High Court's order, which was stayed until February 7 for hearing. The undemocratic and forceful entering upon the private land without informing the land owner or without payment of any compensation to the stakeholders tantamount to dishonoring of the Honorable Court's order and violation of relevant rules of or law, which can attract contempt in the eyes of law, said Marak in a release. This is Lordship, which the petitioner husband has stated. Lordship, now this is important. Lordship, work on the widening of the national highway is going on in full swing in the area for the last couple of months, with many affected residents voicing their opposition to the move. The ongoing work has even resulted in the partial demolition of some concrete homes located along the stretch.
Where's that order where you submitted that matter was fixed on February 7th?
Lordship.
31/7/2024. 31/7 is not 31/7 is the initial order.
Lordship, what has happened is the matter was last fixed on 25/2. Lordship, it was extended till the next date. The next date was in the month of March.
Where's that order we're seeing that it's still 7? That this he knows. He said that still until February 7th for hearing. Their stand is that they have not touched your land. So who's going to
Lordship, there is a photograph to that effect, Lordship. That
photograph is just a photo of a lonely man standing
Lordship,
near a hill.
This is my area, Lordship, which I say, Lordship. Lordship,
So
being a common man, Lordship, that is best, Lordship, which I could have done, Lordship. Lordship,
on the side of a hill.
being a common man, that is what best I could have done to
It's a very
bring
good reflection
before.
of common man, no doubt.
Lordship.
But the thing is that does it show that where the contempt?
Lordship, the newspaper, Lordship, itself says that, Lordship, there is a
widening is fine, but whether the precious land per se was in fact touched at that point of time. That's the only thing.
Lordship.
Making a statement is fine, but then there has to be some concrete, show that this land, this amount of feet of my land, is the photograph, this bulldozer came. If he was there, the doctor, he was there, then he should have taken photographs to show that this is a machine working on my land. There's nothing here.
The photograph itself, Lordship.
Photograph is just one man standing there.
Lordship, and that is my land, Lordship. Lordship, it was my duty, Lordship. There was an order passed by this honourable
It
court
just
after
says, see, the
being
pictures
Prime
are
Minister
debris
satisfied
of
that
highway expansion work in Tura, that's all.
Lordship.
And the picture is not even clear. How will
Lordship,
we do, how will we
my
see
humble
the
submission, Lordship, it was my duty to bring before this honourable court that there is a deliberate and willful violation. In fact, this order was communicated to them right after the passing, Lordship.
And they have given
going ahead, Lordship.
And the affidavit, what have you said? That we
taking
didn't touch the land.
disregard to the order,
We haven't
Lordship.
touched land. We haven't touched land.
They haven't-
No
they
orders were
haven't touched the
passed. Their allegation is we have issued a direction. No such direction was issued to anybody. But it's in my affidavit, if your lordship will see page 20, the only direction that was issued was as far back as 9th of August 2024.
Yeah.
In my capacity as a district disaster management authority to clear debris. Please see this letter, Malad. This is issued to the NHIDCL. References instruction for removal of debris at NH 217. With reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that as reported, there are debris of landslides at NH 217, road at its stretch from so-and-so to so-and-so areas, which are making inconvenience to the passing of vehicular traffic. This may also affect the lives and the properties of the community residing in those stretches of road in the ongoing monsoon season. In this regard, as per section 34 of the DM Act, for the purpose of assisting, protecting or providing relief to the community in response to any threatening disaster situation or disaster, the district authority may do so and so. And then you see the second last paragraph. Therefore, in exercise of the above section, you are hereby instructed to remove the debris along the stretch of Chitkok to Rongrong areas. Not her property. And it's the only piece of evidence that my friend is referring to is this newspaper cutting, this newspaper report. This hearsay evidence number 2, this says, this refers to the private property of Dr. Philetus Marak. He's saying it is his own private property, not the property of the petitioner.
Lordship, I am the husband, Lordship. The property
No
belongs to
pleading
my
anywhere
wife,
to say
Lordship.
the properties are identical or these are two different properties. Not a single pleading anywhere in their application. And my lords, they filed a rejoinder. Something very interesting has come through. They say after, at the time when this interim order was still in subsistence, they reported this matter before this honourable court by way of an additional affidavit.
Have you read this NHIDCL as as contemners also?
Lordship, no.
Yes, what do you want to show?
It's the rejoinder that was filed on 14/11/25.
Yes.
This is just to question the bona fides of these applications, in fact. Annexure 1, page 5, alert. This apparently is the additional affidavit that was filed, bringing on record the fact that we had entered into the property, allegedly. Please see page 7, alert.
Yes.
This has been notarized in Shillong. Can you see the signature of the deponent? Where has she signed? So, at the place of deponent, the designated area she is not signed. These were, it appears these were pre-signed documents.
No, my lord.
And
she
they've
was
used
there,
them and filed it before the
No, my
court.
lord, the
Clearly,
signature is-
on the face of it.
How is this the
My lord, it was signed, my lord. My lord can see in the...
If it is done in Shillong and before a notary, nobody would sign in this manner. These are all signed papers that have been used.
No, my lord. This is an incorrect submission, my lord.
It's very serious, Mr. Chanda. See. This is the copy
This
that was
signature, my lord, of the...
Perhaps. But why would someone sign in this manner, in front of the notary public?
Why should he sign the side? Yes, where you have clicked her to sign, she didn't sign there.
Exactly. It's all signed papers. And well, it's bald statements to say that we have directed. Who directed whom, at what point, when did they enter into the property? No material particulars.
So, heard Mr. S. Chanda. We'll just put it to rest. We will not go to have a probing inquiry with regard to the affidavit. Yes. There's a contempt application alleging violation of the order dated 37. Order
2025,
dated,
Lordship.
order dated
37/2025.
30/07/2025 by the contemnors. The respondents submitted Mr. Chanda that
24, Lordship, 24.
Violation of the order of 31/7/24.
24.
31/7/24.
31 or 37?
31. 31st of July 2024.
Or is 30? They've annexed 37 only.
No, 37 is the order of disposal of the writ petition. In the contempt application, at page 9 is the order.
Yes, yes. From 24 part by this court in LPC number 268/2024. Topic. Chanda submits that in spite of interim orders operating of the respondents on which date is that? On
13 minutes.
On
page 12, 25 to 2025.
No, on 12.
12, Lordship.
On 12/1/2025, as per newspaper report, had executed earthwork. Earthwork in widening the, what road is this called? In widening the NH, in widening NH 217 it is? 217. 97, 51, sorry. 51. Top, the inner counsel admits that the action of the respondents being clear violation of this court, necessary contempt proceedings be initiated against the said respondents. In response, Mr. S. and counsel for the respondents has taken this has submitted that the land of the petitioner has first not been touched, and secondly has also referred to the affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents, wherein as a person so and wherein which contains a letter dated 9 August 2024. Learned counsel submits that the only actions that were ever issued by the respondents was by this letter, and that also was under for removal of debris with regard to carry out for removal of debris due to landslides at H27 road stretched from Chitokak, CHITO, Chitokak, yes, CHITOK, Ram area, which was causing inconvenience to passing vehicular traffic. So, apart from this direction, the respondents have not issued any direction or indulged in any contemptuous acts. Having further counsel parties examined the materials, just seen that the newspaper cutting relied upon by the petitioner does not refer to the petitioner's land per se, but those submitted that the person named therein is a husband of the petitioner. No affidavit or any materials have been placed to support this contention. In order for contempt to be made out, the act of the respondent should be seen as willful and in total disregard to orders of this court. In this matter, apart from disputed facts, no willful action on the part of the respondents can be discerned. As such, the contempt is closed.
Item number 8.
The respondents have yet to file their affidavit, Your Lordship.
When does this matter file? P. Karwanlang, who's for the number 5 of
Lordship, I'm praying for a week's time. We just received the authorised.
What about 124?
We're seeking 2 weeks' time, my lord.
You received instructions?
Lordship, we have received, but it's a bit
What's the matter
difficult
about
right
MCS?
It's regarding reservation, Your Lordship.
Reservation where?
In the Excise Department, Your Lordship. With regards to the post of Inspector of Excise.
A promotional post?
Yes, Your Lordship. Because they have advertised 12 posts of direct recruitment, Your Lordship.
So your what is serving?
The reservation is 50-50%, Your Lordship.
Has it taken place, the promotion?
No, Your Lordship, but this 50% reservation as per the rules, Your Lordship. However, they have advertised for 12 posts, Your Lordship, this year.
That amounts to how much percentage?
It had crossed the
50% mark.
50%
You
mark.
file affidavit.
My lord.
Interim may continue, Your Lordship. This interim.
Interim order is there?
Yes, Your Lordship. Staying 6 vacant posts, Your Lordship.
I don't see it anywhere.
Oh, not so.
It's in the miss case, Your Lordship.
On the miss case. Right, okay. Further 2 weeks' time is allowed to respond 125 represented by so and so and respond number 5 by MSB Khan for affidavit stuff. And in this case, interim orders continue the next day. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
9.
Yes. You have under settlement?
Please, Lordship, yeah.
Yes. Learned counsel for the respondent who submits that the matter is still undergoing
Let it
settlement
be
of-
listed after 3rd December.
Yes, list after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
See, when you mentioned there's a certain court decorum propriety, so you have to know how to address the court. Your seniors should teach you that, or you learn from your colleagues also. Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Good day.
Much obliged.
Item number 10.
You serve a copy?
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
Lord, I received my.
Where's MS Colney?
May it please, your Lordship.
There's a matter regarding electrocution.
Yes, Lordship.
There's a matter regarding
Regarding the VC.
or VC.
President.
Yes.
May it please, your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. N.D. Shalai, is currently on his legs, your Lordship.
You are asking interim orders today?
Lordship, yes. Your Lordship, if this matter can come up tomorrow, your Lordship.
After some time? Where
After
is he?
some time, yes.
My Lord, hearing may take time in Justice Tinto's court, my Lord, wherein.
How do you know?
Well,
You attend the case also?
But I am also involved in that matter, my Lord.
Okay, tomorrow. As a conducting counsel, we have respondents. As a learned EAG, we have a state respondent available. This matter tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, my Lord.
Lordship, tomorrow, because
Tomorrow.
Okay, my Lord.
11.
Always, my Lord.
No difference between tomorrow and day after.
My Lord?
There's no difference tomorrow and day after.
My Lord, tomorrow. Obliged, my Lord.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, we will be filing our affidavit in the course of the day, my Lord.
What is the instructions?
Lordship, actually, my Lord, out here the locus of both the petitions, my Lord, are questionable, my Lord. In fact, they had suppressed some materials facts, which is very important, my Lord. So, my Lord, we'll place that by way of affidavit, and there's some urgency, my Lord.
Have you suppressed any material facts? Or they were suppressed from you by the clients?
No, Lordship, I
No.
didn't suppress anything, Lordship.
Nothing suppressed.
I'm not aware of that, Lordship.
And my Lord, there's some urgency because state is operating. I pray if the matter can be listed after 1 week, my Lord.
Okay, you examine the affidavit, yes.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Rinja submits that the affidavit behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3 will be filed in the course of the day. What about their 5 respondents?
I have taken steps, Lordship.
Good. Not received. Only one respondent there?
Only one, Lordship.
Yes, Shami, the General Counsel for 1, 2, 3 submits that the affidavit be filed in the course of the day. Stop. Officer indicates that the steps, AD card not received from the respondent number 4. List after 1 week.
Lordship.
For
Interim order may be continued, Lordship.
for rejoinder, if any, interim order continue the next week, the next date.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
I'm hearing.
That's mentioned properly. All mentioned.